The padlock symbol will not turn off on my beko wme227w washing machine.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. So can you select any cycle at all and start the washer? Also, when you tried to turn the child lock off, did you hold the two buttons in for about 7 seconds or so? Regards.
Hi Daniel, yes, it has gone through a cycle and it seemed to have finished. I switched the on button off and it released the door after a few seconds. But when I opened the door to take the washing out, it was still full of water. And the child lock was showing on the display. I now can't select any new cycles or switch the machine on. Thanks.
Okay, try this and see what happens. Turn the dial to the cotton cycle, which will be 12 o'clock position. Then turn the washer off, press and hold the start button and then turn the washer back on. Keep the start button held in for several seconds and let go and see if an error code comes up. Then turn the washer back off and then on and see if you can select a cycle and start it. Regards.
Hi, okay, we tried this. An E05 error message comes up, then I switched it off and then on again and it went straight back to the daily quick cycle with the padlock showing and the start symbol flashing on the display.
Hi, okay, thanks for that. I don't think this is due to the child lock, as if it was you wouldn't have been able to do the above. That error code is a draining fault. What you need to do is open the small filter door in the bottom right corner. On some models there is a small hose there which you can pull out a bit and hang into a bowl and open the cap and drain the water out from there. Or if no hose, get a shallow tray under there and slacken the filter and slowly drain the water from there. Once the water is out, you can then fully remove the filter and give this a good clean out. Then look inside the chamber where the filter goes and you will see the pump impeller X shape. Make sure there is nothing jammed up in there. Once this is all clear, refit the filter and retry the washer and fingers crossed this will cure it. Let me know how it goes. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.